Good day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to the channel Jamaican Insider. In this one, we're taking a drive on Russell Heights. Just turned on to Russell Heights from Barbican Road here in Kingston. Hope you will enjoy this one. As always, I will try to highlight some of the major roads that lead from the main road. In this case, the main one being Russell Heights. And now we're passing by Louisville Road on our right. Now we're going by Hopeview Road. Edam Drive on our left. Passing by the Lower Great House Close on our left. As you may know, Russell Heights runs through Cherry Gardens. Going by Carmel Avenue on our left. Taking it nice and easy here in Russell Heights. Hear the birds chirping away. Life is good, giving thanks for all the many blessings, you know. I have a car, I have life, and I have my subscribers, you guys. Really appreciative of you. Taking a quick drive through Shortwood Drive. Very scenic Shortwood Drive. Look at those, look at the hills. Lovely view. Delisa Avenue on our right. now we're on Shortwood Road, believe it or not. Another very long road here in Kingston and St. Andrew. As you may realize, I've long passed Russell Heights, but I just had to share these lovely views with you here on Shortwood Road. Right now, I'm approaching Norbrook Road. Hope you've enjoyed the views. I'm going to leave it here for today. And I ask you just to continue sticking and staying as another 2 videos are coming up. Thank you so much for watching. Do leave a like if you've enjoyed this video.